Wall painting designs can totally transform the vibe of your home. They add a personal touch, making your space feel more like you. Whether you're into bold statements or subtle elegance, there's a design out there that's perfect for you. Choosing the right wall paint design can be super overwhelming. You scroll through Pinterest and suddenly everything looks amazing. But how do you pick the one that's right for your home? You don't want to end up with a design that's trendy but not timeless. And what if you're not even sure where to start? Some homeowners struggle with the fear of making the wrong choice. You invest so much time and money into your home, and the last thing you want is a design that you'll regret later. It's like, what if I choose a color that I end up hating in a few months? Or what if I try a technique that doesn't quite work out? The truth is, we've all been there. We see a design that we love, but we're not sure if it's right for our home. And sometimes we just need a little inspiration to get started. So let's explore some amazing wall painting designs that'll make your heart skip a beat. From accent walls to geometric patterns, there are so many techniques to try. You can add texture with a stencil or create a masterpiece with a gradient. The possibilities are endless. For example, an accent wall can instantly add depth to a room, or geometric patterns can create a super cool vibe. You can also experiment with different textures, like a smooth finish or a rough rustic look. One technique that's super popular right now is the ombre effect. It's like a gradient, but with colors. You can choose 2 or 3 colors that blend into each other, creating a stunning visual effect. Another technique is the use of stencils. You can find stencils in all sorts of designs, from simple shapes to intricate patterns. So what's the most visually striking wall painting design that can instantly elevate any home space? For me, it's gotta be the metallic accent wall. Imagine a wall that shines like gold or silver. It's like a game changer. You can pair it with neutral colors or bold patterns, and it still looks amazing. Trust me, once you see it, you'll be obsessed. In conclusion, there are so many incredible wall painting designs that can transform your home. From accent walls to geometric patterns and metallic finishes, the options are endless. So, don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. So, which design is your fave? Have you tried any of these DIY projects before? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're as obsessed with home decor as I am, be sure to watch my next video on the latest trends.